Okay, here's a good intermediate level algebraic fractions questions, and there's a number of different ways you can go about solving this. Essentially, we've got to add two fractions together, and when you add fractions together, you've always got to work with the same denominator. So we've got a 2 here and a 4 here. Now, there's different ways of dealing with that. One way is that you can look at the lowest common denominator and use that to multiply out. So 4 is the lowest common denominator, so we can multiply every term in this equation by 4. If we go down that route, then half x minus, if I rewrite that as a half of x minus 1, it's supposed to be the end of the bracket, plus a quarter of 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3 equals 1. And when I multiply everything by 4, we get 4 lots of a half, so that becomes 2x minus 1. We get 4 lots of a quarter, so that becomes 2x plus 3. And we get 4 lots of 1, which is 4. We then simplify this side, we've got 2x and 2x, which makes 4x. We've got minus 2 and plus 3, that makes plus 1. And we've got 4. So we get 4x is a 3. So x is 3 quarters. Now a different method, if you're not happy with that, with rewriting x minus 1 as over 2 as a half of x minus 1, was to combine these two fractions first of all. So we rewrite this fraction as being a fraction over 4. X minus 1 over 2, if we convert the 2 to a 4, we've doubled it, so we need to double the top. So that becomes 2 lots of x minus 1 over 4 plus 2x plus 3 over 4 equals 1. And then we combine the two fractions, so we get all over 4, 2 lots of x minus 1 plus 2x plus 3 all over 4 equals 1, and then we do the same thing. We've got 2x minus 2 plus 2x minus 3, so we end up with the same thing, 4x plus 1 all over 4 equals 1, so 4x plus 1 equals 4, and we're at the same process we were at last time, 4x equals 3, and x equals 3 quarters. Either of those routes is valid. Go with the one that you're more comfortable with.